This month, the Bureau of Labor Statistics released their estimates for employment growth in Maryland for January and February of 2020. Over the first 2 months of the year, Maryland gained a total of 16,500 jobs. Additionally, Maryland's unemployment rate dropped to 3.3%. While these numbers are strong, RESI anticipates an immediate economic downturn and recession due to the coronavirus pandemic. Since the end of February, the governor has announced a number of measures intended to slow the spread of the virus. These include a ban on all gatherings of more than 10 people, the closure of Baltimore's cruise ship terminal, the closure of all Maryland public schools, and the closure of all non-essential businesses. BWI terminals are open only to ticketed passengers and employees. Other public transit is to be used only by essential personnel, including healthcare workers, emergency workers, and those necessary to the supply chain. In addition, Governor Hogan has asked that all Maryland universities transition to online learning for the remainder of the spring semester. These emergency measures will have a significant negative impact on Maryland's economy. RESI's chief economist has suggested that Maryland's economy could lose $180 million for each day of the shutdown. Unemployment is also likely to spike in the short term as businesses are forced to close. In response to these emergency measures, Maryland's legislature has passed an emergency bill to soften the impact on workers. The bill expands unemployment benefits to cover people who are sick for more days than their allotted sick leave or who need to care for a family member. It also provides unemployment benefits to people whose employer has shut down as a result of the statewide restrictions. These policies are intended to guarantee continued income to those directly affected by the pandemic. Congress has also acted to provide economic relief at the federal level. Recently passed legislation will provide paid sick leave to many workers if they are being treated for coronavirus or have been asked to self-quarantine due to potential exposure. Smaller payments will also be available to those caring for family members with the virus or who are caring for a child due to widespread school closures. Congress is also acting to expand unemployment eligibility and benefits, provide financial assistance to impacted industries and small businesses, and send direct payments to most Americans. In total, this stimulus is more than twice the size of the one implemented following the 2008 financial crisis. Follow the link below for a deeper dive into this month's employment numbers and visit www.Towson.edu/RESI to learn more about our services.